Hello everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabby. I hope you're all doing well. Today, the video is about Star Wars Mission Fleet Mando N-1 Starfighter. It's an exciting toy set which brings the adventure of Mandalorian. The box itself has amazing design. It seems to be eco-friendly packaging. So before we delve into detail, let's unbox it. So here comes the hero, a 2.5-inch scale Mandalorian figure with opposable arms and legs and head. Here it's a paper bag which contains the dark saber, which is accessories for the Mandalorian. The figure can hold the dark saber and the Mandalorian looks really cool. And we have also the Grogu. That's a cute little figure. Now let's take out the cool packaging for the Mando N-1 Starfighter. It looks really sturdy and well detailing has been done. And here is the instruction how to keep those minifigures in the Starfighter. So I'm going to take this Grogu and going to put in his cockpit. And this Mandalorian figure is a fully posable arms and legs and head as it captures the detailed design which is inspired by the live action series on Disney Plus. As every part is movable and it looks well detailed. So let me put this Mandalorian into his cockpit. There is the leg space where you have to push it, then you have to tilt it, and there you go. That's the proper way so that he can sit in his cockpit. And then only you can close his cockpit. I'm so impressed with this Starfighter. It's well detailed and it doesn't look cheap at all. It's a sturdy looking die-cast Starfighter. I really like this. This is a design that is true to the series, which allows the fans to imagine the high-speed chases and daring escapes across the galaxy. I think this makes it a fantastic gift for any young Star Wars or any collectors who are looking for this N-1 Starfighter. I think they have also introduced in the Lego. They also have a similar one but in a more detailed version. I think this set also to add in my collection. That's on my list now. So my review about this Starfighter is I'm really impressed with the Star Wars Mission Fleet Mando and N-1 Starfighter. It looks really cool. It's a highly posable toy ship and it comes with the Mandalorian and the Grogu figures. They each look so unique in their own way. So let me know which Star Wars characters you like and why in the comments below. That's all for today. Please let me know what you think about this starship. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling and happy collecting. May the force be with you.